love you. Mimi loves you so much. Yes, I do. Mimi love you. Mimi loves you so much. Yes, I do. I love you. Mimi's girl. Are you Mimi's girl? Are you Mimi's girl? Mimi girl. Talk to Mimi. What? Talk to Mimi. I missed you. I missed you so much. Yes, I did. Mimi miss you so much. Mimi girl. Where's Mimi girl? Mimi girl. Mimi girl. Like Mimi girl. Love you. Mimi love. Mimi loves you so much. Yes, I do. I love you so much. What? Is you gonna talk to Mimi? Oh, snuggie. You want a snuggie? Want a snuggie? Want a nuggie with Mimi? Okay, there we go. We can nuggie. Ah. Oh.